ba?
Kita.
It's currently almost 11. And nasa prom pa rin kami.
Current situation, very tired. But I enjoyed personally. And yes, I'm not in for a formal event. An actual.
Sa music pa lang, rinig na hindi naman formal.
Sino mo yung music? Just me?
Sa act demure, act in ano daw? Act in class. First
Class. I don't feel it. I don't feel it, I don't hear it.
Yung ano lang, hanggang doon sa first dance lang, doon lang nag-stop. Yung class na lang. Lahat yan, mga pagkatapos na nagsayawan ng party dance. Wala na.
Magulat ka, uwi ko to.
I dare you. I
double dare me.
I double
Sige
dare
lang,
you.
sige lang.
You better send me photographic evidence.
Are you trembling me? Are you tempting me? Yung hair ko talaga nababother ako.
Katabi. Magsuklay ka.